or football players or baseball players or basketball players do commercials because you already respect and like them. So imagine if you knew what your pain points of your perfect customer was, so you could help them change their life. You could help them get what they want. And that's what we mean by stop the scroll, okay? The second part is you use stop the scroll hooks. Think about you when you're scrolling on social media. What is it that stops your scroll on a video? That's what we teach you. And we teach you to do what's called a CTA, to invite your potential customers back into your freedom machine, which is that automated system, right? So let's just recap. So step one, you're going to promote a product, service, or program and make 100% profit. You're going to, step two, automate your business so it's working for you 24/7. And step three, you're going to get your business discovered so you don't have to go find the customers. So you don't have that type of pressure on you. So you don't got to live in your DMs. You don't got to live in friend requesting people or bothering friends and family. Let's use the digital world to build a very successful business. Doesn't that sound good? And now step four, stand out by relating with your content, which sends people back to your automated system. So what's step five? You guys, customer. Because remember what I said to you about the automations? How literally people...
No work, homebiz.com.